If you are visiting Las Vegas and craving for Indian food, then you must visit this Chaska Indian Restaurant. As soon as you walk in, you notice how spacious and comfortable the seating area is. It is very generous, perfect whether you're dining with family or friends, and I really love the Bollywood vibes and the famous dialogues on the wall. And this is my favorite wall with the rose decor for perfect for photo ops. And it has a dining area on the second floor as well. The ambience overall is calm and quiet, which makes it a great place to enjoy a relaxed meal. Now let's talk about the food. So here I have ordered chole bhature, which was recommended by Chef Ram, and it did not disappoint. The flavors were rich, authentic, and incredibly satisfying. So crispy and soft in the inside, and it's this warm bhature is just amazing. They also have a street food option, like I ordered veg hakka noodles, and they were super delicious. I also ordered my all-time favorite. It's called paneer butter masala, and it's consistently delicious, creamy, and full of flavor. And the portion are very generous, so you can definitely get great value for the price. Garlic naan, it came straight out of the tandoor, hot, fresh, and perfectly cooked. So delicious, I can't wait. And this is kulche chole, and look at the size of the kulcha. Oh my god, it is amazing. We two people cannot finish this, so you have to imagine how big it is and it's stuffed kulcha. And it's super delicious. What I really appreciate is that the food made here is made to order, so everything tastes fresh. And lastly, the hospitality here is amazing. From the servers to the chef himself, everyone is welcoming and very attentive. And overall, Chaska is the place I truly enjoy, and I highly recommend it if you are craving authentic Indian food in Las Vegas. So come check this out. एक बार आओगे तो बार बार आने का चस्का लग जाएगा. And I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, bye bye.